In this video, I'm gonna show you how to get the top sales values from a given dataset. It can be the top 3, top 5, top 10, or whichever number that you want. So we are going to use the select statement. Let's see what the select statement gives us. Select my dataset there, comma. I put my select here. Say select all. Let's do that and see what happens. There you go. We get all our sales values. Now we want the top 5. If we want the top 5, we need to arrange this in a descending order. So to do that, we need to come here and say order by. The column is D, and we need it in descending order. But don't put this word descending. It is going to arrange it in ascending order. But what I want is descending order. So I'll put descending there, and you'll get your data in descending order. Now, if I want the top 3, these first 3 here, I'll need to go back here and limit the results to 3. There you go. You get the top 3. If I want top 5, I just change this to 5, and I'll get to 5, and whichever number that you want. If I want 10, there you go. Now this is hard-coded, and I don't want to keep going in and changing this value manually. So what I'm going to do is link it to a drop-down that I've created in K1. So to do that, I'm going to use the quotes, and inside those quotes, I put the n%, and then my drop-down is in K1, like so. Press enter. Right now you see it is 5. Drop-down is reading 5, and therefore my top 5 are returned. If I want 1, there you go. And if I want 10, all I need to do is change this to 10, like so. And I've also gone ahead and got, maybe you want the sum of the first 10. So there's a sum formula here which sums, or the average of the first 10. And so this is how you can accomplish this. Thank you for watching. I hope this has been helpful. And if so, please subscribe if you have not. Like the video, share, give me your comments. If you have a challenge, share with me, and look at it. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.